All right, students, here we go with Wednesday math. Susie ran 2.35 kilometers. What is the value of the 3 in 2.35? So this is place value. They just want to know what the value of this is. So this is the ones place. This is the tenths place. And this is the hundredths place. So what is the value of 3 here? It's 3 tenths. Which expression shows how to find the product of 7 times 45 hundredths? Well, I want you to break this down, okay? So basically what this is saying, if we put these in two different, based on place value, so we have 4 tenths and we have 5 hundredths. So because multiplication is repeated addition, really this is like saying 7 times 5 hundredths plus 7 times 4 tenths, which is the last option on there. What is the result of multiplying 38.5 by 7.9? So this is going to be multiplication of decimals. 35 and 8 tenths times 7.9. You're going to ignore the decimal point at this point. So we've got 9 times 8, which is 72. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 7 is 52. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Go ahead and erase these or cross them out so that you don't get confused. We're going to come over here to the 7, okay? And remember, your first digit's going to line up with that 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. Add them up. 2, 8, 2, 8, 2. Now, we've got 2 places to the decimal point, so we're going to come over 1, 2. So your answer is 282 and 82 hundredths. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, we've got 7.2 as our divisor and 691 and 2 tenths. Now, you know that you cannot have a decimal in your divisor. And whatever we do to the outside, we're going to do to the inside. So we've got 72 divided by 691.2. At this point, it's just long division. So I know that 72 doesn't go into 6, it doesn't go into 69, but it does go into 691. So I'm going to guess. I'm thinking 72 goes into 691 about maybe 7 times. Maybe? So 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 6 is 48. Okay, that's way too much. Oh no, because I'm doing the wrong thing, you guys. Oh my goodness. If we were in class, you guys would be screaming at me. So 72 times 6. Let's try that. And then 42, 43. Okay, I think I can go more. So I'm going to try 72 times 8. So that's 16. 8 times 7 is 56. 57. Ooh, can I do one more? 72 times 9. It's going to be 18. 9 times 7 is 63, 64. It looks like that's probably going to work. As long as 9, that's 72 minus 9. Yeah, okay. So 9 and 648, and we're going to subtract. We know that we can't take 8 from 1, so 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 3, 4. Bring down the 2. Ooh, so see, this works out. So when you do your guesses, you know that 72 times 6 is 432. So it wasn't for nothing. Answer's 96. Which of the fractions are not equal? Okay. So 2/5 and 5/8. The way we can find out if these are equal is, how do I make a 5 into an 8? I can't. So these are not equal. But look at this one. Oops. 1/2, 4/8. How do I make a 2 into an 8? Times it by 4. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So we know that those equal each other. Same thing with 1/3 and 3/9. How do I get from here to here? Times it by 3. Times it by 3. They're equal. Same thing with 3/4 and 12/16. How do I make a 4 into a 16? Well, I times it by 4. And whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 3 times 4 is 12, so these are equal. So this one is the one that is not equal. Which of the following is equal in value to 9/7? So it's basically asking you to take 9/7 and reduce it. And the way you do that, 9 divided by 7. 7 goes into 9 one time. Subtract 2. 2 becomes your new numerator. Your denominator stays as your divisor. What is the product of 4/5 and 6/7? 4/5 product means times 6/7. So we've got 24 35s. Nothing goes into either one of those, so we are done. Now we're going to go ahead and use that volume again. That volume formula. So volume is length times width times height. And that's the amount of space inside. That's what we're looking for. So the length is 3 centimeters. The width is 2 centimeters. And the height is 2 centimeters. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12 centimeters cubed. 1, 2, 3, cubed. If it doesn't have the units, it's not right. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.